Did you know that the ultra-rich legally avoid paying millions in taxes while you get stuck with the bill? Sounds unfair, right? But what if I told you? They're not breaking the law, they're just playing the game smarter. Stay with me until the end because I'm breaking down the exact strategies the wealthy use to keep more of their money, and how you can start using them too. Welcome to Mindset Money. If you're ready to think like the rich and grow your wealth, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's get into it. Alright, let's be real, the tax system wasn't built for the average worker. It's a complex maze designed to benefit those who know how to navigate it. It's designed to reward business owners, investors, and those who have the means to exploit its intricacies. And corporations. And if you're just earning a paycheck, you're paying way more than you should. The system is stacked against you from the start. Fact, the top 1% use legal loopholes to lower their tax bill, while regular employees pay up to 37% of their income straight to the IRS. This disparity is staggering, but here's the secret. The wealthy don't work for money. Their money works for them. They understand the power of passive income. And that's where the tax advantages kick in. They leverage their investments to minimize their tax burden. Think about it. If you're earning a salary, you're getting taxed before you even see your paycheck. It's a system that penalizes the hardworking. Then you spend that money on things like rent, groceries, and maybe a few nights out, all taxed again. It's a never-ending cycle. It's like the government is taking a cut every step of the way. Every transaction, every purchase, another slice goes to taxes. But the wealthy, they structure their lives differently. They play by a different set of rules. They own businesses, invest in assets that appreciate in value, and use the tax code to their advantage. They know how to make the system work for them. They understand that the more money you make passively, the less you pay in taxes. It's a game of strategy and knowledge. It all comes down to this. The tax system favors those who understand how to use it. Knowledge is power in this game. And the truth is, most people don't even realize they're playing the game on hard mode. They're unaware of the rules and strategies. Don't worry, I'm about to show you how to change that. Stay tuned, and you'll learn how to level the playing field. Let's talk about how the rich legally avoid taxes using 3 powerful strategies that are completely within the bounds of the law. These strategies are not just loopholes but well-established methods that the wealthy use to minimize their tax burden. Number 1, business write-offs. The rich own businesses even if it's just an LLC. This allows them to take advantage of numerous deductions that are not available to regular employees. That means they can write off cars, travel, meals, home offices, even their phone bill. These deductions can significantly reduce their taxable income. The tax code favors entrepreneurs, not employees. This is because entrepreneurs are seen as job creators and economic drivers. Think about it. If you're running your own business, you're going to have expenses. These expenses are necessary for the operation and growth of your business. You need a place to work, supplies, maybe even employees. All these costs can be deducted from your income, reducing your overall tax liability. And guess what? The IRS lets you deduct those expenses from your taxable income. This can lead to substantial tax savings. Number 2, real estate loopholes. Ever wonder why millionaires own real estate? It's not just for the rental income or property appreciation. Depreciation. The IRS lets them write off a portion of their properties every year, lowering their taxable income, even if they're making money. This is a powerful tool for reducing taxes. They even use the 1031 exchange to sell properties tax-free and reinvest. This allows them to defer paying taxes on capital gains indefinitely. Real estate is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth and reduce your tax burden. It offers both cash flow and tax advantages. When you own a rental property, you're not just collecting rent every month, you're building equity and taking advantage of depreciation deductions. It's a win-win. Over time, this can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Number 3, investments over paychecks. The rich don't earn wages, they earn capital gains. This is a key distinction that allows them to pay less in taxes. Stock dividends, real estate profits, business investments, all taxed at lower rates than a regular paycheck. This is because capital gains are taxed at a lower rate than ordinary income. Example, Warren Buffett's secretary pays more in taxes than he does. This is due to the difference in how their incomes are taxed. This is one of the biggest secrets of the wealthy. They make their money work harder for them by investing in assets that generate passive income. This income is often taxed at a much lower rate. And the best part is, this income is often taxed at a much lower rate than your hard-earned paycheck. This allows them to keep more of their money. If you're working a 9-to-5 and earning a paycheck, you're playing the game on hard mode. The tax system is not designed to favor employees. Time to switch things up. Consider how you can incorporate these strategies into your own financial planning to reduce your tax burden and build wealth. So, How can you start using these strategies legally? Let's break it down. 1. Start a business, even a side hustle. Sell on Etsy, freelance, YouTube. Any business lets you write off expenses. Get an LLC and you can deduct your internet, laptop, car mileage, even your coffee. Starting a business might seem intimidating, but it's easier than you think. These days, you can start an online business from your laptop and start taking advantage of those sweet business deductions. 2. Invest in assets, not just a job. Buy stocks, real estate, or even crypto. Let your money make money. The IRS rewards investors, not workers. Remember, it's not just about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep. Investing is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth and reduce your tax burden over time. 3. Max out retirement and HSA accounts. 401k, IRA, HSA mean tax-free money growth. The rich use these to legally defer taxes for decades. Retirement accounts are like secret weapons for building wealth and reducing your tax bill. By maxing out these accounts, you're not just saving for the future, you're also reducing your taxable income today. Smart people don't just work for money, they make money work for them. The reason most people overpay on taxes, they don't understand the system. They see taxes as a necessary evil, something unavoidable, and they don't take the time to learn how to navigate the complexities of the tax code. They think taxes are just something you have to pay, period. But this mindset is exactly what keeps them trapped in a cycle of overpayment. But the truth is, the tax code is incredibly complex, and there are all sorts of deductions, credits, and loopholes that most people don't even know about. These are not secrets, they are available to anyone willing to learn. If you just work a job, get paid a salary, and don't invest, you are the IRS's favorite customer. The system is designed to benefit those who understand how to work it. The IRS loves people who just blindly hand over their hard-earned money without asking any questions. Don't be that person. Take control of your financial future. The rich structure their income. They plan ahead and make strategic decisions to minimize their tax liability. Most people just accept what's taken from them. They don't question the deductions or the amount withheld from their paychecks. The wealthy understand that they have a say in how much they pay in taxes. They actively seek out ways to reduce their tax burden. They don't just accept the status quo, they actively look for ways to reduce their tax burden. They use tax strategies. They consult experts and stay informed. Most people just wait for a refund check. They see it as a bonus, but it's really just the government returning your own money. Instead of hoping for a big refund check, which is really just the government giving you back your own money, the wealthy are proactive about minimizing their tax liability throughout the year. They make adjustments as needed. Are you starting to see the game? The rules are the same for everyone, but the wealthy play it differently. The rich don't cheat the system, they use the system. And so can you. It's all about understanding and applying the rules to your advantage. It's time to stop leaving money on the table. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. The tax code might seem daunting, but with a little bit of knowledge and effort, you can start using it to your advantage just like the wealthy do. Educate yourself, seek advice, and take control of your financial destiny. Now that you know how the wealthy legally avoid taxes, what's next? Are you ready to keep more of your money? It's time to take control of your finances and start thinking like the wealthy. Remember, knowledge is power, and now that you know the secrets of the tax code, you can start using them to your advantage. Comment below, what tax strategy surprised you the most? Let's talk about it. Subscribe because in my next video I'm revealing the fastest way to build wealth in 2024. You don't want to miss it. Like this video, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and I'll see you in the next one.